In March 2014, CourseSmart was acquired by VitalSource Technologies, and the combined company is now one of the leading educational technology companies in the world. VitalSource has delivered compelling digital content to more than 8 million students in 200 countries and territories worldwide. And our content catalog includes 500,000 titles from more than 750 education publishers. As part of the integration of the two companies, we are pleased to introduce you to our new instructor sampling portal. This video will take you through important account setup information, finding relevant course materials, organizing your course materials, and the reading experience. Let's get started. Go to the opening VitalSource page and log in using your CourseSmart account information, or click to create a new account. Once you've created an account, you'll need to be verified as an instructor before viewing any books. If you were previously verified on CourseSmart, you won't have to be re-verified on VitalSource. However, if you log in with your CourseSmart account, you will still have to complete the account profile information. Search for books using the search bar along the top of the screen. Before being verified, you can still search for book titles and click Request Access. An email will then go to the publisher, and you should see a response within a few days. Once you are verified, the following choices will appear next to books you search for. Read Now, which means that the content is already in your library, and you can simply click to read it. Add to Library means this book is available and you can add it to your library and read it immediately. Contact Publisher means this book isn't available for evaluation, but clicking the button will send an email to the publisher who may or may not allow access. Click on any book in the list to get more information about it. In the upper right, click on My Library to see the titles you have access to for evaluation. In the Publisher Recommendations section, titles will appear that have been sent to you by a publisher. You can add it to your library or remove it. Click on any book in your library to read it. This takes you to the VitalSource bookshelf online. You'll already have a bookshelf account if you've come through the instructor portal. For assistance with account information, click the support link in the drop-down menu in the upper right. Now you can enjoy the bookshelf reading experience. Using the icons on the left, enable the panels of your choice. You can move these panels to the right or left side of your reading experience. Keep your notes and highlights organized with the Notebook panel. If you need to jump to a different chapter, use the Table of Contents icon in the toolbar. Searching throughout the book can help you find key terms and concepts quickly. Enter the search term, and then click on any of the results to go directly to that location in the book. Use the menu along the bottom to glide through the pages or enter a specific page number. Don't miss the additional features here, included printing and citations. And this icon allows you to deep link, which provides you with a direct link to that page, which you can add to your LMS or send via email to your students so they know what you want them to study. Scroll down to see more content on the same page. For books that have a single page per screen, turn the page using the arrows on the left or right. Or some books allow continuous scrolling throughout all the content. You can add notes and highlights to your book. Click and drag to select all the text you want to highlight, then select the highlighter color and add the highlight. You can also add a note. Need to change the highlight color? Simply click on the highlighted area and then choose from the other color options. Use the Notebook panel to find all of your highlights and notes in one place. From here, you can also search your highlights and notes and add or edit notes in your notebook. Remember that highlights and notes will synchronize between all your devices as long as you're connected to the internet the next time you launch the Bookshelf mobile or desktop app. Sharing and subscribing. You can share your highlights and notes with your students. Use this function to enrich the book by adding links to case studies or videos that help illustrate the concept described. Or link through to additional materials provided by the publisher, such as quizzes or other ancillary material. In your bookshelf library, you can filter your books in a variety of useful ways. You can also sort your books in ways that make sense to you. Find a book easily by searching for a keyword in the title. To manage sharing and highlighters from here, use the Manage icon in the upper right. Click the main menu icon at any time you need to access your account, and you can also sign out from there. To go back into a book, simply click on the cover. Now, once you've registered for Bookshelf, go to the support page from whatever device you want to download the Bookshelf app to. The page will show you choices for downloading the Bookshelf app. Once you've accessed the download link from your desktop, tablet, or mobile device, download it to that device to be able to read your books offline. There are lots of written instructions here to help you if any difficulties arise. Within the app, here is your library, where you access all the books in your account. To access any book, you must first download it to your device. Similar functions to the site are also available in the app, like filtering books in various ways and changing the list view. To open a book, simply tap on the cover. You can toggle between your current book and your library here. Tap the main menu icon if at any time you need to access your account, contact support, update your library, and more. Tap the screen anywhere to show or hide the toolbars. Navigation of the books across mobile devices is simple. Depending on the format, you can scroll up and down through the content, or swipe left or right to turn the pages. If you need to jump to a different chapter or section, use the Table of Contents icon, or use the scrubber to glide through the pages. Or you can enter a page number directly. If your book has illustrations or figures, you can access all of them using this icon. You can also use the search feature within your book or inside the entire library to find a specific word or phrase and go directly to it. Keep in mind, in the app, this will only search books you have downloaded. Also with the app, you can add notes and highlights by tapping and holding your finger on a word, then dragging to highlight more text. Then, tap to create the highlight. Add a note, copy the text to your device's clipboard, or delete the highlight. If you're looking for a particular note or highlight, tap on your notebook icon, add or edit notes from here, or search them using the search bar. All of your highlights and notes will synchronize between your devices as long as you're connected to the internet when you sign in. Let your students know that your recommended book is available to rent or purchase through VitalSource technologies by sending them a link or adding the link to your LMS module. Our mission in combining VitalSource and CourseSmart was to accomplish more together than either company could individually. We're confident that you'll benefit from the convenience of our new instructor sampling portal and that your students will benefit from our leading digital textbook platform. And there's more on the horizon as well. Every day we're working hard to provide the industry with interactive content, analytics, and other advanced educational technologies too. Our overall purpose is simple. We want to lead the industry in taking educational content to the next level, and in the process, help you to develop brilliant learners.